Welcome to paintandhardware.com. I want a demo for you the Stanley 600W toolkit with 120 accessories. So this has a 600W gun, all the accessories required for the drill gun and some hand tools which you can use in the house. So let's get into it. It comes in a nice self-organizing case which you can use to store all your tools at any time. So that all your tools are visible to you whenever you want to use them and they are easily accessible. So you can see at the heart of the kit is the 600W gun, which is from Stanley. It has a 1-year warranty. The 1-year warranty covers the armature, motor and the drill chuck. You can see that it has a 13mm drill chuck which can be used to drill in wood up to 25mm, 30mm in metal and 30mm in concrete. It has two functions. One is the hammer function, one is the drill function, which you can use the hammer function for the wall and the drill function for the metal and wood. It also has a forward and reverse function. This is forward and this is reverse. It also has a speed control dial where you can control the speed of the gun if you want to use it for purposes like screw driving. Here you can see it has a range of bits. These can be used for wood and metal. These are for wood and these are for masonry, where you can use for brick and plaster. They have given you provided fasteners and the fishers. So you can see a range of fishers and screws over here. Provided in a neat case, where if you want to replenish your stock also you can do it easily and it sits into place. You also get a range of star bits, hex bits, square bits and slotted bits. You get a manual screwdriver handle for it. Next you can see a set of Allen keys. They are given you from all sizes from 1mm up to 6mm. You can see the sizes here. Again, sits back neatly where we have removed it, so that you never lose it. You have a measurement tape. You have a bit holder. All the bits. You can see this one. You have a heavy duty cut-off knife. You have a steel claw hammer, which you can use to remove nails. You have a cutting plier. Also you have an electrical tester over here. This screwdriver. And this key you can use to fasten the bits in the drill gun. So you can see this kit has everything you need for your home maintenance. It has a heavy duty gun which carries a 1-year warranty, and all the warranty is serviced by us itself, so that if you have any trouble anytime you can always get back to us. This kit is really a must-have kit and it's very handy to have around the house. So until next time, keep watching and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.